What's up? It's Liam. Today I'm gonna be looking at the deck hook. It's a Kickstarter project I backed like 2 months ago. It arrived last week. I just now having the time to really look at it in depth, and that's what we're gonna do today. Let's see what's inside. First off, we got a little usage card. It's pretty easy. And here we have the deck hook itself. It is made out of aluminum, I believe. The straps are like military nylon, I believe. They're really sturdy. They feel really sturdy. And the product itself feels really good as well. Last thing in the box is a hook to mount to your wall. So you mount this piece to your wall, and then you can just hang your deck hook on the little pole here. You can just hang it on here. And that way you can hang your board on your wall, that's kind of nice. I like the functionality of this. Alright, let's see how this works on a backpack. Attaching the deck hook is actually relatively easy. You just snap off these magnetic clips right here. These will go around the straps of your backpack. So I just put it through the handle and then around my straps and just snap it back in. There's really no fiddling around with the straps or anything. It just clicks back into place pretty well. And there you go, the deck hook is attached and your board can go here. However, there is one thing to keep in mind. If you have a bigger backpack like this one, this is an Air SF duffel bag. It has like these really big straps and actually quite a lot of space in between. Plus it has a lot of space at the front. It doesn't really work that well when you try to attach it to the backpack, which I will show you right now. When you put it through and around your straps, you will just have no space left on your deck hook. So as you can see, I'm already struggling for space on this side, and the deck hook is only just hanging here. And if I do the same over here, it really doesn't work that well, because now it's just kind of hanging around here, not really downwards. And if you want to get a board on this, I don't think it's possible, because yeah, this doesn't work. So keep that in mind. If you have a bigger backpack like this, or you use a backpack like this a lot, which I actually do, then this might not be for you. But let's see how it works on the smaller backpack. Alright, I put the deck hook back on my small backpack right here, and I have this mini cruiser board. It's not that long, I think it's 28 inches, 50-60 centimeters. And let's see how it fits on the deck hook. Fits relatively snugly, actually. And there you go. It also works relatively well with the backpack on your back, though I do suggest you kind of tie up your straps a little so you can push your board relatively high on your back, otherwise it might hurt your back. But in general, with a small board, this is pretty good. So we know it works with a relatively small board of 28 inches. This is a longer board. It is 36 inches, I believe. So it is already getting relatively long, relatively heavy as well, especially with these bigger wheels. So let's see how this works. It starts dwarfing the backpack quite a lot. Also, when you put it on your back, because of the weight of the longer board and well, the length of the longer board, it really starts getting kind of weird. You would really need a backpack that is relatively high up on your back, otherwise you'll just hit your legs like I am right now. It's not that comfortable with a long board like this. It may work for a couple minutes of walking, but I definitely would not suggest walking a kilometer with this on your back. It'll just get super annoying on your legs, and it's just not comfortable actually. So right about now you might be wondering, is this product worth it? And I would say it depends. The deck hook is really well built. The product itself is aluminium and it's really sturdy. It feels rigid, as do the straps. They're also really sturdy. When it comes to quality, this is just a really good product. However, it will not work for everyone. As I demonstrated, if you have longer boards from 30 inches and up, this will not really work for you, because it'll just dangle around on your back. Also, if you have a bigger backpack like an Air SF duffel bag, this will not work either because it will just not be enough. These straps will not be enough. I'm not sure if you can maybe extend them or anything, but I kind of doubt it. So if you have a longer board, I would not really suggest getting this. If you have a regular skateboard, a penny board, a mini cruiser, anything like that, it will work pretty well. Also, what's nice is that you have the wall mount functionality, so you can just hang your board on the wall. But if this is all you're gonna use it for, you might as well just get a wall mount and take a pass on this. So in the end, it depends on whether this is worth it for you. For me personally, it's only useful with my smaller backpack, which I don't really use that much, and with my smaller board, which I also don't really use all that much. So the value of this for me isn't that high. However, for you, it might be a lot better. So do take a look at it, but consider what you're gonna do with it. Alright, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.